It's been a bit of an open secret. The last year or so has been full of changes for Zebra and by extension Motorola. I'm speaking with Mark Thompson. He's the Retail Industry Director for EMEA for Motorola and now Zebra. Mark, please, if you could just fill everybody in on exactly what is taking place or what did take place over the past couple of months.
Early last year, Zebra Technologies announced the acquisition or the planned acquisition of the enterprise business of Motorola Solutions, and at the end of October last year, that acquisition was completed, so is now fully in place, and now we're integrating the two companies in terms of staff, in terms of go-to-market approach.
No small task, I'm sure. How does this look from a customer's perspective?
Many of the customers that we're talking about, in fact most of the customers we're talking about, are customers of both, or were customers of both Motorola and of Zebra. So now, rather than having to deal with two separate companies, they can deal with one company to bring all of the same types of products together to help them with their solutions at the end of the day.
And anything specifically that you guys see as being a big advantage through the combination, a set of technologies or solutions that you can say, like, now we can do this because we're a combined company?
Increasingly, as we go forward to the future, you'll have heard a phrase of Internet of Things, which means all of these devices start to become connected. And actually, both companies have very good credentials in terms of the Internet of Things. So your printers, your mobile devices, not only connected to each other, but connected via the World Wide Web to a system, a solution that allows you to see all of those devices in real time, manage them remotely, and get much better use out of those assets.
It almost sounds like you're saying, without actually saying it, kind of the buzzword that's floating around here, omni-channel, multi-channel. What does that actually mean from let's say a product standpoint, from a solution standpoint?
It will change the type of products that we promote to retailers, so that we help those retailers bring what is the digital, so engagement through internet, etc., into a physical store. So how can we take some of the information that I would normally expect to see on a website, for example, about stock availability, about alternative products, about adding favorites, how can I create that type of atmosphere in a physical store?